See, ain't nothing changed. Blue 501s with my Chucks, and I'm 45 and still sagging. That's just funny, huh? 45 years old, still sags his pants. I think that's just where they learn to ride, you know? That became like my waist. But I hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Sunday always reminds me of church, Bible, praying. My dad had to preach at Skyline Church on Sunday nights. And us kids just got to run amok, you know? My mom was the supposed, you know, teacher or whatever. She never could control us. Can only imagine the trouble she had with all those kids. But it was good times, man. I got to thinking today. I know, kind of scary, but look how much control they have over us. Get the shutdown, got us all staying in our houses. Who knows what's going on? You know what I mean? All this shit could be made up. You know, I know people are dying, but where are they at? Something just stinks, man. You know? I don't know what it is. It's either something small or something really big. Because they're making this kind of trouble. And, man, how long are people supposed to go without work? Honestly. I can go maybe a month. But I'm working tomorrow. Fuck it. These dudes want to work? I'll work. Believe I'm washing my hands, got my hand sanitizer, and I'm watching what I do. And the 6 feet rule still in effect. Give me 6 feet or I'm swinging on you. Dudes at work already know that. Every dude I meet, he'll know that. And everybody's appreciative of the 6 foot rule. One, they don't want this virus. And two, they don't want to get swung on. But back to Sunday in church and praying and stuff. I don't want you guys to think I'm preaching to you or trying to convert you. I'm just telling you my point of view from the way I was raised and how I grew up. This is how I feel. I think there's someone out there, you know? Look at the sky. Someone's looking after us. And I know the better I am, the more this universe blesses me. When I'm a straight demon, my life was rough. Real rough. I've had brief times of clarity, but never really understand the whole mind control thing. You know, it's like how do you say, like an elevator door, you know, when it opens, sometimes it just stays open forever. That's like my anger, you know? That shit just stays there. It stays there. But now, that elevator door shuts a lot faster. And I'm able to change my thinking. I don't know if that's Buddha, if that's God, that's whatever. It's me, it's my mind. But it works. When you truly control your mind, there's nothing anybody can say or do that will bother me. And I say that because I know for a fact. People have tried. I'm not talking about people out here, I'm talking about people in real life. And I'm not mad at anybody. You know? I understand why people are mad at me, and that's fine. You know, but that's their deal. All I could do is keep doing me. Keep progressing as a better person. That's all I can do. You know, staying sober, not easy, man. The cravings, wanting to get high, but then I think about it, and it's like that life got me nowhere. It was a big hamster wheel when I had so many opportunities to do bigger things. And I know it was the drugs that stopped me. Had to be. It reminded me of a Bible verse. I think it's 1 Peter 5:8. I'm not going to quote it exactly right because I barely remember, but it says, keep a sober mind because the enemy's trying to kill you, basically, you know? So during these times, you don't know what's going to happen. You got to keep your head straight. You got a family to protect. We ain't going out like bitches. Someone come in my house, they ain't leaving. And your family's got to know that you're going to get up and handle business. Whoever's running the house. It's time to man the fuck up. Because if this shit gets any weirder, you never know. Best believe, if it goes back to the Wild West, I'll have me a posse real quick. But hopefully that's just crazy talk. Oh, it's a big ass hill I just walked up. Fucking huge. Sucks, this vacant lot right there. It was a pond when we were kids. It had creeks. Used to catch crawdads. We'd spend hours down there. And they just buried it to build houses. People just raping the world of its resources. And they wonder why shit's happening. The universe is pissed, man. I'll tell you that right now. Pissed. You can see it. Everybody I walk by, you can see the fear in their eyes, man. And there's nothing to be afraid of. As long as you are in control, there's nothing to be afraid of. So stop being scared. Stop listening to these news reports. They ain't gonna get you nowhere. All they're doing is trying to scare you. For what reason? I don't know. But it's working, because I see a gang of people scared. See that palm tree? That thing's like, I don't know, 80, 90 feet. It's huge. Look. Motherfucker rolling up on me slow again. I'm a peaceful guy, but you come into my hood, on my street, acting like a tough guy, you're gonna get stomped off the street. Otherwise, if I see you in a public place, all smiles, los vemos.